Hello, I'm Sean from Barry Digital Media, and today I'm asking how to inform your employer why digital marketing is important. And so I'm really asking this question for two different reasons. One reason, which I'm going to get into a little later, is if you're in an interview and you're trying to promote yourself and try to get the role, I think you want to connect with your potential employer and show them that yes, you are a good investment and that the person should invest in you, and that they are going to get a return on investment by investing on you, but then also generate several times more what you're bringing in. But before I do that, let's just ask how to inform your employer why digital marketing is important. Because let's say you've gotten the job and maybe there's some trouble inside the market and you want to just make sure that your position is secure, then these points could help you secure your position or maybe even get yourself a promotion. So let's see what just Google's AI says in a quick review. Informing your employer about the importance of digital marketing can be done by building a strong business case for its implementation, highlighting its benefits, providing supporting evidence, and addressing potential concerns. Here's a breakdown, and just quickly going through. Frame it with business goals and current challenges. Identify the business challenging that digital marketing can solve. Highlight limitations of current marketing efforts. Connect digital marketing to the company's overall objectives. Emphasize the benefits of digital marketing: global reach and accessibility, cost effectiveness and ROI, targeted audience engagement, measurable results and data driven decisions, increased customer engagement and retention, flexibility and adaptability. Provide supporting evidence and examples: industry-specific data and statistics, case studies of successful campaigns, competitor analysis, pilot project, and quick wins. Suggested starting with a small scale can demonstrate. I was hoping, some quick wins would have been good there. Address concerns and demonstrate a plan for success. Demonstrate how digital marketing can be measured. Outline a clear strategy. Emphasize the importance of continued learning and adaptation. And be prepared to address potential objections. This is actually, I'm glad Google threw this one in here. That might be one of the most important, is being able to address objections, because they're going to say, we can't invest that extra $10,000 in marketing, or we're already spending $10,000 in traditional marketing. We tried marketing once before and it didn't work. There's all these different potential reasons. Anyways, let's check out short videos here. Because I noticed that short videos came up. So it sounds like Google is, I don't know, but for some reason, Google threw this in there. So it seems like there's a lot of content that might be related to this. Why digital marketing is a game changer for business. Okay. That could be good. She might have something to say that relates to you that you can take. The importance of communication and data. Yep, that's important. He might say something different, but that gave me the idea that making sure that your customer has a clear idea of your product is important. Why digital marketing is essential for business growth. Yep, you're finding new audiences there. Sixth reason your business needs digital marketing: expertise, time efficiency, targeted strategies, content creativity, analytics, insight, and something there at the bottom. Okay, there's some potential ones in there. Some entrepreneurship. In entrepreneurship, it's vital that you stay connected to your customers, I imagine. So yeah, that's another thing that digital marketing does that is new, and or I guess innovates on it. Before, people would have to either mail you or call your company directly, but now you can send them a direct message on some of their social platforms like X or Facebook, and you can get a conversation going there. And of course, now there's the AI chatbots, which I would say is about 25% effective so far from just my anecdotal experience, but it's new and it's going to get better. Let's click forms as well. Is there anything? What does marketing actually do? I clicked on this one and we'll go a second. Okay, I don't know about that, but you know what? Let's go to, actually, let's click on news. Okay, nothing there. So Investopedia, they're saying how digital marketers can help a business succeed. A good strategy can help, excuse me, a good strategy can help a company attract new customers, communicate with them, and collect important data. In today's business landscape, a digital marketing is an essential aspect of any marketing plan. Digital marketing helps businesses attract and target new customers and leads, communicate with target audiences, and collect data on consumer behavior and campaign performance. A digital marketing strategy usually encompasses multiple channels like a website, social media, email, digital advertising, and online search. Digital marketing can help businesses increase their online visibility, build brand awareness, and reach a larger audience than traditional marketing channels like print, TV, or radio. Critically, it allows for a targeted audience reach in enabling businesses to tailor their messaging and marketing efforts to specified demographics, interests, and behaviors. Digital marketing can also be more cost effective than traditional marketing methods. It's also important to track, measure, and analyze key metrics to assess the effectiveness of digital marketing campaigns and make data driven decisions. All right. Let's see. And then here's another one. How do I convince my boss to invest in digital marketing? This one sounds pretty good. This one's from Buzzboard. So let's take a quick dive into here just to see what it's talking about. The case for digital marketing. Convince your boss to invest in digital marketing by building a strong business case and highlighting the benefits of digital marketing. Use data-driven insights and real-life examples to demonstrate the potential return on investment. Emphasize the precision and control digital marketing efforts offers in managing budgets and achieving measurable results. Prepare a comprehensive proposal outlining resource needs, cost distributions, and timelines to ensure a successful campaign. By presenting a compelling and actionable plan, you can win your boss's approval and secure investment in digital marketing. Let's read some of the headlines here. Understand the needs of digital marketing in business today. Tips to effectively present digital marketing strategies to executives. How to build a compelling business case for digital marketing. Developing a feasible marketing budget and proposal for digital strategies. Success stories of organizations that invested in digital marketing. Airbnb. Okay, sounds like a pretty decent article there. All right. What are some ways to convince your boss to invest in digital marketing instead of traditional advertising methods? So I think we've already covered this, but research exactly who your ideal prospect is to at least 7 dimensions of demographics and psychographic points. Determine what compelling message has been shown to convert prospect buyers. Determine which digital media of the 200 plus available will deliver your compelling message to ideal prospect. Outline your small scale testing plan to prove your assumptions are correct. Then go to your boss and outline research and ask for a small budget of, say, $500 to prove digital will get better results. The question doesn't suggest that there's any bias in switching, but if you prove online media gets better results, only a fool wouldn't switch. But Knowing all the money wasted on digital that gets no results, be ready if your test fails. The number one reason I have found that small businesses lose money on digital marketing is that they guess the media. Yes, you got to know your channel. Like sometimes TikTok, sometimes YouTube is going to be the best channel, but sometimes LinkedIn is going to be the best channel. Maybe Pinterest. There's so many channels out there, and you have to know your customer. And sometimes making those mistakes is going to be the way. Well, some answers here are just downright twisting of the facts. Oreo saw no good ROI from the Super Bowl campaign. The numbers were not there. Build a house, many pieces. No one element is a deal killer except the foundation. No one markets advertising. Okay, I'm not sure. My attention is lost on that. Okay, let's go on to the next, my next point here. Let's quickly review what ChatGPT says, and then I have a little bit of a unique twist here at the end, which goes back to my original point about exactly what to speak about when you're trying to get a job. If you're trying to inform your employer why digital marketing is important, the key concept is to directly is it sorry. If you're trying to connect excuse me. If you're trying to inform your employer why digital marketing is important, the key is to connect it directly to business outcomes they care about: growth, revenue, efficiency, and competitiveness. Here's a framework you can use to explain. Start with the big picture. Customers live online now. People spend more time on their phones, search engines, and social platforms than ever. If your business isn't viable, it's invisible to most customers. Show how it directly helps the business. It reaches more customers. Unlike traditional marketing, digital marketing allows precise targeting by demographics, interests, and locations. Cost effective. Ads, SEO, and social campaigns can deliver more measurable ROI than print or TV. Data-driven decisions. Every campaign is trackable. You can measure clicks, leads, and sales in real time. Build brand credibility. Reviews, social presence, and engaging content creation create trust with potential customers. Competitive advantage. Competitors are already online. Being absent means you're losing market share. Tie it to their goals. Frame it around what matters to you most. If they want more sales, digital marketing can generate more qualified leads directly from search and social platforms. If they want more brand awareness, content and ads ensure our names show up whenever people search for solutions in our industry. If they want loyalty, email and social campaigns help us stay in touch with customers so they keep coming back. Use simple and impactful examples. When someone Googles service/product, if we're not there, they'll buy it from our competitors. If one well-targeted campaign can cost less than a single billboard but reach 10 times more people, and we can see the results instantly. Position it as an investment, not a cost. End by framing digital marketing as essential for growth, not just nice to have. Digital marketing isn't about just advertising. It's how we stay relevant, connected with customers, and drive sustainable growth in today's marketing. I do like this. I like this headline right here. Digital marketing isn't just advertising. It's about how we stay relevant, connect with customers, and drive sustainable growth in today's market. So now let's twist it with having it about an interview. In an interview, how can I tell the potential employer that digital marketing is important for their business? And then give examples. To convey the importance of digital marketing to a potential employer, focus on three key areas: expanding reach, driving measurable results, and building customer relationships. That sounds like it ties in with my last point there. Expanding reach. Digital marketing allows businesses to connect with a wider audience beyond its geographical limitations. Instead of relying upon traditional methods like print, ad, billboards, or digital channels such as search engine optimization and social media marketing enable a company to reach potential customers wherever they are in the world. For example, a local bakery can use well optimized websites to attract tourists searching for best bakeries near me, and an effective Instagram strategy to showcase its products to a global food loving audience. A small caveat there, a bakery could also ship out all of their products worldwide as well. They could get a manufacturing for food and their cookies and send it all the way to Japan. Driving measurable results. One of the biggest advantages of digital marketing is the ability to track and analyze performance. Unlike a newspaper ad, where it's difficult to know how many people saw it or were influenced by it, digital tools provide real time data on everything from website traffic and conversion rates to the return on investment of an ad campaign. This allows a business to make data driven decisions, optimize campaigns for better performance, and allocate budget more effectively. You could give an example of using A B testing on a landing page to see which version generates more signups, proving that digital marketing provides clear and actionable insights. And then I just make a caveat there that you can learn from and adjust and optimize towards. Building customer relationships. Digital marketing isn't just about selling, it's about creating a two-way conversation with customers. Content marketing, like blog posts or videos, or email marketing, allow businesses to provide answers and questions and build trust over time. Furthermore, social media platforms offer a direct channel for customer feedback and engagement, helping a company to build a community around its brand. A good example is a clothing company that uses a blog to offer styling tips, and its social media responded to customer inquiries, creating a loyal following and turning one-time buyers into repeat customers. That's another really important point there. Just repeat customers. If you, so many companies, what they will do is they will take that one customer and then also consider them as a lifetime value, or how much lifetime value that they will bring. So if you go in and buy bubble tea, that's $8. But if that person keeps on coming back throughout their life 20 times, that's what is it, $160. That is their lifetime value. And so you kind of know how much you want to invest in each customer. Anyways, I hope you had a good time here. If you've learned something, please like and subscribe. And I hope you have a good day. Take care. Bye.